on, in this video, I'll show you how to fix error code van152 in Valorant, but please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. First, all you have to do is to go to command prompt and open it. Type in sc delete vgc and press enter. Now you also have to type in sc delete vgk and also press enter. After that, close this one. Go to where you downloaded Valorant, go to program files, look for Riot Vanguard, and delete this folder. Now, if you are receiving this kind of error, then go to Task Manager and end all the processes that is related to Riot Vanguard and Riot Vanguard itself. After that's done, go to Valorant, right-click on it, and click Run as Administrator. Hit yes, and that should fix your problem. But if the problem still persists, then go to Run by typing in Windows plus R and just type in services.msc. Hit OK, look for VGC, double click on it, and for the startup type, select automatic, select start and click OK. So don't forget to restart your computer. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.